Do you know your rights in American airports and ports of entry?
Now more than ever, it's important to understand your rights. So today we'll ask some questions and we'll give you some answers so we can clarify that. Giovanna, if I am a green card holder, what types of questions should I expect from a CBP officer?
They might ask you a lot of questions, but you only have to answer questions related to your identity and residency, in addition to custom-related questions. Refusal to answer any other questions may likely cause delay, but just because of that specifically, they cannot refuse your entry into the United States.
What if I'm an American?
It's the same thing, but you automatically have your admission into the United States because you are already an American citizen.
And if I have a visa?
Then it's more delicate because they might ask you questions related to anything, and if you don't answer the questions, they will probably deny your entry into the country.
Now, Giovanna, one of the most recurrent questions that we've been getting recently: can lawful permanent residents, green card holders, be denied re-entry into the United States?
Yes. The immigration laws provide a limited set of circumstances under which green card holders could be denied their re-entry into the United States. These circumstances include if you have been absent from the US for a continuous period of more than 180 days, or if you have been engaged or convicted into any illegal activity or crimes involving moral turpitude. And add, can border agents search my electronic devices?
CBP officers retain the right to search and confiscate any electronic devices that you may be carrying with you, such as laptops, phones, cameras, and also they can make a copy of the information that's on there. Giovanna, what are my rights if the officers decide to conduct a personal search?
Officers can only do invasive strip searches if they have reasonable suspicion that you have been involved in any criminal activity. These searches must be done in a private area, and they can just pull you aside based on your race or ethnicity. Lastly, add, what if the government officials ask me to sign a document?
Be very, very careful because signing a document can be dangerous and you can be losing a right without even knowing it. So it's absolutely important to read thoroughly the document, make sure you understand it. If you do not speak English or you know someone that does not speak English so you can give this advice to, ask them to request a translator so that the document can be understood. Never sign anything unless you understand it.
That is why it's very important to know your rights and to have a licensed immigration attorney on your side.
If you're one of our clients and you have any additional questions about this, please give us a call.